This is the third question from January 2023. In this, we have to use in theorem, and in this, they have given RL equal to 10 here, or no, RL, if they can say that this one, also they can say RL is equal to 10 ohm. We'll calculate it according to this. So, first step is to RL of the thing, right? Rest of the diagram will be same, just need RL. And what we need to mark over here, that is point, and we simply RL. This one A, B, right? Calculate now VAB. We can mark it here as C. We can mark it here. Now just imagine that you are standing at A position and you have to move towards B, right? And choose path. So current is like this I1, and here current is like this I2. So VAB is AC plus V plus V. Correct? VAC is how much? I1 into IAC, RAC, IAC, I1, R1 is 10. Much we have already given volt. Then this is the middle volt. All there is current. That would be I1 minus I2 multiplied by the 10. Simple. Now with the two variable and two get the value of I1 and I2, can substitute value of I1 and I2 over here, then we'll get the right or not. Now in the next step we need to calculate RTH, right? As you know, for RTH, short circuit all the voltage source. The circuit diagram would be like this, right? And again, you are standing at A position, have to move towards B. At this 10 ohm and 10 ohm, they are connected in parallel, right? Because you are standing at A position, have to move. So 10 parallel 10, right? After that, this 10 parallel 10 plus 10 parallel 10, and this 10 ohm will, that is your RTH. So in the last, you have to apply the formula I is equal to VH divided by RTH plus RL. Okay, we calculated VTH, we calculated RTH, RL is already given 10 ohm. We just need to substitute the value, the current, right?